Not heating and blowing white smoke. The turbine housing gap may be too large. There are mainly two causes of a large gap. First, poor factory production standards. Second, severe shaking or impact during shipping. A strong collision during transport caused the turbine housing to shift, creating a gap. Of course, if you're using an lfbros unit, you can rest assured, because before leaving the factory, we have dedicated inspections for turbine housing clearance, and the motor assembly also undergoes strict dynamic balance testing. So you just need to consider whether the heater was shaken during long-distance transportation. Want to know how to fix it? Like the video and follow me. I'll show you in the next one.
lfbros.